think this is my, see, I speak out what my mind accepts. This project is a totally illegal project. It does not have any permissions, okay? Even the Land Survey Department has, that we have a document where the Land Survey Department has stated very definitely that the concerned survey numbers are no development zones, okay? Now I am told, which we were not aware, that 3 months or 4 months later, the nature of the land changed. I don't understand how this can happen. And now they say it is partly no development and partly development. How can that be? How did the nature of the land change in 3 months? What was the officer doing when he wrote the first report? This is a fraud. Secondly, we questioned the lawyer who is representing Movage, how they are doing the work. Now they said, he said, "Ami chikol katta, ami mati katta." Osle काम करपाक WRD चे permission जाय. Permission दाखोय म्हूण सांगले. Permission ना. Even if we do so many desilting works, okay? Every work is done with the permission of the concerned department. There is no permission. And because they were working without permission, they had forbidden entry even to the panchayat, which is the local authority. Okay? Now Kazan lands are cultivable lands. During this season, that land is rich in fish. The tradition states that fishermen used to come in to fish. Okay? That is not allowed. Instead, we are going to do boating there and destroy the land. What kind of boating? What will be the magnitude of boating? Nature of boating? We don't know. But definitely it will not be row boats. Okay? So, are we going to destroy environment at every step of the way? Isn't it our duty to protect the environment? I was the Minister for Environment and I remember very clearly that it was always said, use it, improve it and hand it over to the next generation. What are we going to hand over to the next generation? Whatever is destroyed and made useless?
What will be the next step, madam?
Next step, I think, I don't know. I think the panchayat has to decide and maybe they have to go legal.
Because you had said that you will come with the CM again.
Yes, I only want, I want to request the Honorable Chief Minister because I believe that he will do the right thing. I just want the Honorable Chief Minister to, I don't want to discuss any issues with the Honorable Chief Minister. I just want the Honorable Chief Minister to have a look at the area. Because one look at the area and you know that it is 100% no development. I find that very, very amazing because all the concerned government authorities have denied permission. Like, for example, to start with, IPB had given initially had given permission. IPB withdrew its permission. I have the document. Then NDZ had stated very loud and clear that the survey numbers concerned are no development zone. Of course, subsequently, for various reasons, they have changed their stand. But the fact is, the document is there stated by the Land Survey Department that the area concerned is a no development zone. Environment Department also has stated that nothing can be done there. So why are we, still pressing on? Let us do what the area is meant to do, cultivation and fishing. Okay? But no. And I think we also have a moral duty, a moral responsibility towards nature and environment. In fact, we are told that we can use the environment, improve upon it and hand it over to the next generation. Instead, what are we doing? We are destroying it and making it beyond repairs for the future generation, which is totally wrong.
First thing, especially basically I stop the activities, illegal work and notice serve केल्लो. Notice serve करून still they have continued their work, illegal work. And side inspection मागले. एक part on 7th we asked for side inspection. तेन्ना ताणें गेट लॉक हाडली. वी कूड नॉट टेक द सॅटिस्फॅक्शन प्रॉपरली आनी ताका आमी आनीक नेक्स्ट डेट बेज ऑन दीस सेम आमी ताका नेक्स्ट डेट दिल्ली दीस 24th. आनी आयज सॅटिस्फॅक्शन घेतला तांचो रेप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आहलो एक एडवोकेट आनीक मिस्टर रातोड. तांकां आमी जे क्वेश्चन केल्ले परमिशन विचारलें दे हेल्पलेस दे कूड नॉट गिव एनी आन्सर्स.